guys, I do not know how about you, but it's already nighttime, guys. And I'm very sleepy, like I made videos, and sometimes I'll get puyat. Yeah, you heard me right, I'll get puyat. And look, guys, the proof is nighttime. Look, it's nighttime, right? Look at this. Creepy. Okay, guys, if you're not sleeping, you're crazy because it's already 10:10. If you're not sleeping, I do not know what about you, but I'm sleeping soon. And do you have a phone? Like and subscribe if you have a phone. My dad, when I was 5 years old, like she gave me a phone, but it's not really a phone. It's broken, but she fixed that. She fixed the phone, and I'm still 6 years old. I'm gonna be 7 years old. So that's messed up. If you're watching this, you have a phone. Leave a like, leave a subscribe, and comment if you wanna comment. You can comment, why do I have a phone? Why do you have a phone? You're a kid, Carson. Why do you have a phone? And then now, what's your name? Is your name Jack? Is your mom's name Coco Martin? If you do not know Coco Martin, search in Cocomelon Coco Martin. You will know Coco Martin. Okay, bye. I'm sleeping.